Here's how to fix Discord installation has failed error. First, open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. In the search box, type %app_data% and press OK. Once the folder opens, look for a Discord folder. If you find one, right-click it and delete it. Next, go back and open Run again from the Start menu. This time, enter %local_app_data% and press Enter. Look for another Discord folder, and if you find one, right-click it and delete it as well. After that, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left-hand side, select Network and Internet, then go to VPN. If you're currently connected to a VPN, disconnect from it and check whether Discord installs correctly. If you're not connected to a VPN but have one available, try connecting to it and then test the installation again. If the problem continues, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. In Task Manager, use the search box at the top to look for Discord. If you see any Discord-related processes running, right-click each one and select End Task. Once all Discord processes have been closed, you can close Task Manager. Now, open your internet browser and go to the official Discord website. Download the Windows version of Discord and wait for the setup file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, right-click the Discord setup file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and make sure the option to run this program as an administrator is enabled. Click Apply, then OK, and double-click the setup file to start the installation. If Discord still won't install, the next step is to check whether the Windows installer service is running. Open the Start menu, search for Services, and launch the Services application. Scroll through the list until you reach the Windows installer service. Then double-click it. If the service status shows that it's stopped, click Start to run the service. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. You can now close the Services window and try installing Discord again. If you're still experiencing installation errors, there's one final solution you can try. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Inside the Command Prompt window, enter msiexec/unreg and press Enter. After that, enter msiexec/reg server and press Enter again. These commands will unregister and then re-register the Windows installer service. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer. After Windows starts back up, try installing Discord again, and the installation error should hopefully be resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.